welcome back to the channel, CCW Fox. I'm Lee, and today we'll be going over a cool little kit I came across at Foxtoberfest, which is a classic LED switchback kit. I didn't see this on another Fox. This is only brought up to me by the owner's wife at Foxtoberfest. So I looked up the kit and it looked pretty cool. So I figure I'll do a little quick review, install video. I'm not gonna get too detailed into it. Also show you a part that's also needed to make this kit work, which is not included, is also not mentioned, but it's nothing major, and it just makes the kit function right. But like I said, let's get to the review and install this video. And guys, thanks for sticking around. Also, if you give me a like and subscribe, help me build this channel. I'm gonna keep doing more and more parts and reviews. I'm also gonna do more reviews of cars still. It's just been kind of cold, so nobody really wants to stand outside doing it. But don't worry, more of the videos coming around and coming down the road. But thank you for watching, and like I said, please like and subscribe and share this video. Thanks a lot, guys.
CCW Fox, oh yeah.
All right, guys, this was comes in the kit. You get obviously two of these. I already have one installed on the car over there, but you get two of these, and this is your template and your instructions. And this is the harness that actually plugs into your harness. And this is how you get both sides to blink, is because they're both connected. When you're installing these, if you install it once, if you install it the first time and only one of them is yellow and one is white, then just flip it around and plug it the other way, and then they should both turn white. That's a problem I came across. But you also gonna have to drill these out. So both these need to be drilled out, which is why he sends you this template right here. And you just trace it over. I just got a, what do you call, like a gel pen, and I traced it. And to drill it out on this one, which is the outside marker, you're gonna have to pretty much drill out the whole thing like a lot. And then on the inner one, you only need to drill out just a little bit, which is this part right here. I'll show you now. You only pretty much gotta drill out this little part, and all you gotta do is just drill it out just a little bit, and you get the light to fit. But this on the inner ones, pretty much all you gotta do. Just doing the very bottom part to drill out. But this one, you're really gonna have to do the whole thing. As you can see, it pretty much takes up the whole part. You gotta drill into them. Now, what I used was the Milwaukee Dremel or rotary tool, and then I use the Dremel rotary kit tool to cut it, which is, if you want to know which one I use, which is this one right here, the 125 carving kit. And that helped me get the angles real good. As you can see, it cuts it really good on it. And the template, all you can do in the template, all you can do is just, you're pretty much just gonna lay it over like that. You lay it over, and then you just trace it, and then just cut it out. Just trace it over the pin. I'm trying to show you right here. Like I said, on the inner one, you really need to, it tells you top, and I think he wants you to go like this. But if you go like this, you have to cut the whole thing. So what I did, I just angled it to where it fit right there, and then that showed you pretty much this part right here you got to cut, which is the very bottom. But as you can see, it fits pretty good just like that. The wires are like pretty bright, so when you install them, you can see it on the car. So what I did on this side is, you can barely see them, but I added wire loom to them so you can't see the kit. So you look, I put wire loom, because if you don't put the wire loom, you can actually see the wire in this. So then, like I said, once you get the cut, all you're gonna just do, you're gonna obviously find it. It's probably gonna be upside down, because like I said, I moved it. And then once it goes in, just click like a regular kit, and bam, you're done. Oh, guys, I forgot to tell you, this is what you gotta add on. This is what's needed. These are the load resistors, and it's wired in to your blinkers. you need to add these load resistors because without it, the lights, the LED lights won't blink. And it's just because it takes a low voltage for LED to work that your signal doesn't recognize it. So you add these load resistors, you wire them in, and that's what you gotta do to get the lights to blink. I'll put the image of what exactly you need, where to get it. For two, because you only need two for the front, it's only like 16, 18 bucks. It's nothing super crazy, but you do need it to make this kit work, to make it blink. It doesn't say it in the directions, and it also doesn't say anywhere on the website about it, but you just got to wire these in, and that's all you need to make this kit work. I'm covering this in wire loom because once I installed it already, you can see his wires big time and kind of looks tacky. So I just bought this wire loom at O'Reilly's, but it makes it look way better. Just kind of one thing I wish he actually also included was, or he'll just wrap the wiring in wire loom already. And there you go. Looks way better with this. Otherwise, the wire is like really exposed and you can see it. This part you're not gonna see so much. You can wrap it too if you want, but I mean, you really don't have to. So I found it easier to actually install the light already on this one and then fish this side over just because it just makes it easier that way to me from already doing this like twice. You're just gonna stick your hand through it and fish it through to the other side. Fits really good. And then fish this over to the bottom of this light. It's gonna be kind of tight, so you're gonna have to just be careful with it. Let me turn this light on because my garage is kind of dark. Now, before you actually screw everything in and put the light, I would suggest plugging it in first to make sure it's the right orientation. Because, like I said, if you turn it on, if you plug it in and one's yellow and one's white, that means you gotta flip it. So I'll show you right now. Hopefully, let's see how it came out. See how it's acting wonky? So you're gonna flip it. And there you go. Once you got that situated, I mean, you're gonna tuck this one back because you're not really gonna need this part. And then just grab your other light and plug it in. All right, there you go. And pretty much just it. All you gotta do, and also just put your bolts in the back, and you're done.
Thanks for watching.